Oh my god, tornado warning. Oh my god, tornado warning, tornado warning. This is awesome. This is awesome. I was not expecting this so late. But, I mean, it's not for my county, but hey, it's the best we got. And it's the first alert I have gotten for 2021.
Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near.
Of course, CBS doesn't tell.
Newcastle.
I don't even know anymore.
Other locations impacted by a tornadic thunderstorm include Bessemer and South Newcastle. Take cover
Jesus
now.
Christ.
Move to a basement or an interior.
I don't even think we live in Lawrence. No, we live in Allegheny.
Avoid windows. If you are outdoors,
In a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. By calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. A tornado warning is an issue for the 3 p.m. Lynn County, Lawrence, Pennsylvania. Oh, now I am bot decides to fucking PBZ issues tornado warning. Yeah. Is that bell? See? Alright. Update. They actually decided to issue the warning for CBS. Yeah, you decided to issue it 5 minutes late. Not even 5 minutes. A minute late. God damn, I can't even speak. I guess I got a new alert now. I don't know. This. Oh yeah, this is my EH55 EP for those who are in my friend's Skype chat.
to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report severe weather by calling
412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Oh, cool.
for the following county: Lawrence, Pennsylvania,
Did they extend it?
at 9 p.m.
I think they might have extended it. Yeah, I'll probably have a compilation of this on my YouTube channel,
29.65 inches and rising.
and then I'll upload the whole debacle.
Weather bulletin. The National Weather
Yeah.
Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for central Lawrence County in western Pennsylvania until 9:30
Yeah.
p.m. At
Until then,
8:03 p.m.
stay peaceful.
Thunderstorm.
They updated it for Butler County.
Issued a tornado warning for east central Lawrence County in western Pennsylvania, west central Butler County in west central Pennsylvania until 10 p.m. At 9:20.
Wow, they even updated the time frame. Oh shit.
Noticing a tornado was located near Newcastle, moving east at 20 miles.
Come on.
Tornado.
Source, radar,
Indicated
rotation.
Impact.
Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will
remain over mainly rural areas of east central Lawrence and west central Butler counties, including the following locations: Harlansburg, Rose Point Park, Cooper's Lake Campground, Plain Grove.
Cooper's Lake? I never heard of it.
Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move close to substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Please report severe weather by calling
412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Facebook page,
or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.
Oh, now you do it.
Tornado warning has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following counties:
Now you update the tornado warning
Butler and Lawrence.
for.
At 9 p.m., Pittsburgh reported cloudy skies. Temperature
Oh.
65. Dew point 63.
Crap.
93% relative humidity. Wind south at 3 miles an hour. Pressure 29.5
Well,
inches.
that's a pity.
Again,